Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Freedom Financial Network. Review my usage experience. Freedom Financial Network Review My Usage Experience offers debt consolidation and debt management services. It aims to help individuals struggling with high-interest debt by negotiating lower payments and potentially reducing overall debt. Key features likely include debt analysis, negotiation with creditors, and potentially financial counseling. Their website provides details on their specific programs and eligibility requirements. Their website highlights their comprehensive approach to debt resolution, emphasizing a focus on personalized plans and transparent fees. They claim to offer a streamlined process and clear communication throughout. They don't advertise contracts, which is a positive for many consumers. Availability is generally nationwide, though specific eligibility criteria may apply. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Freedom Financial Network. Review my usage experience. I initially contacted them feeling overwhelmed by my credit card debt. Getting started was surprisingly easy. Their online application was straightforward, and I received a call within 24 hours from a friendly representative who answered all my questions. The initial consultation felt very thorough. They didn't just look at my debt but also my overall financial situation to recommend the best strategy. Navigating their online portal was intuitive. I could track my progress, see communication with creditors, and access my payment plan details all in one place. The performance, in terms of debt reduction, is still ongoing, but I've already seen a significant decrease in my monthly payments, providing me much-needed breathing room. I had a quick question about a payment posting, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing a clear and satisfactory answer. I was really impressed by how proactive they were in communicating with my creditors. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized attention. It felt like they genuinely cared about helping me get back on my feet. One minor drawback was the slightly lengthy application process, but I understand that's necessary for thorough assessment. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Freedom Financial Network services so far. While it's early in my debt consolidation journey, the initial results have been positive and encouraging. That's my overview of Freedom Financial Network. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.